let's bring our dog to the ballpark so it can poop everywhere. Great idea.
Especially in a domed stadium. It's like a fart chamber.
Yeah. It's the Jays and Rays. And Evan Longoria, did he hit that out? Well, John Gibbons doesn't think so. He says a fan reached over. Jays fan, or the Rays fan, he's escorted out. Here's the fan reached over to catch it before Jose Bautista could make the play. Umps come back. They rule it a home run. The Rays fan allowed to return. I'm back. Ninth inning. Tied at 1. Edwin Encarnacion looking for his second long ball of the day. Liner. Top of the wall for a double. Okay, so no fan involvement there. No, Gibby, he wants to argue that one as well. To no avail. They're going extras. So, according to the Fox Sports Live drinking game, you need to take a drink. Flashing back. Jose Lobaton at the dish Friday night. Walk-off off Aaron Loup. Beat the Jays on Sunday.
There's a long one. High and deep to right. Bautista back. Rays win. Lobaton again.
Lobaton with his second walk-off hit of the series. Mobbed at the plate. And Gatorade or water? Water or Gatorade? It is B, Gatorade. Rays win in 10.